Yeah, hello. Mark attendance. Then now start. I have discussed some. We already discussed in the previous class. Okay. Then now just start from this effect of crops on the soil quality. Okay. Then now soil quality depend on the crop residue depend on the soil quality. Soil quality is the capacity of a specific kind of soil to function. Then within the natural and manage the ecosystem boundaries to sustain plant and animal productivity, and then maintain or enhance water and air quality and support human health and the habitation. So this is the soil quality. Okay. Okay, then what is the depend on soil quality indicator? How to indicate the soil quality? The first you physical characteristics, chemical, biological, and organic matter. So these are the organic matter. This is the organic matter, and three part is the chemical, biological, and the physical. This is a part of the organic matter. Okay, and three is the physical, chemical, and biological of the part of the organic matter. Okay, this is soil quality indicator. Then now there's the how to monitoring the trends to your soil quality and time to time. So this is you see in the graph. The graph is this is part of the soil quality, the x-axis, and x-axis and y-axis. Y-axis is the soil quality. X-axis is in the time. Time to time is the your soil quality is the degrading and aggregating and sustain. Sustaining with the neutral position. Okay, no increase and non decrease is part of soil quality. And for soil quality, time to time is aggregating is add. Then you use the inorganic forms. You use the urea and phosphate. Then with the your soil quality day to day is the decreasing or giving a form find the degrading. Okay, the soil quality is the bottom level from the sustaining. Okay, this is the measure from the how to measure the monitoring of soil quality. Okay, this is a trend of in the so in the graph. Then now this is the then now is the effect of the physical quality, the aggression, porosity, hydraulic connectivity, infiltration, and bulk density is the effect of the physical quality directly impact on the soil. Okay, then now this is the effect of the aggregation. Aggregation is showing in the your graph. This is the microbial biomass and products transmitter, and the active organic matter. This is a temporary version. This is the stabilized organic matter. Is a pesticide. Okay, you see in the graph. Okay, you see in the graph is the this is the soil segregation, and the period after the incorporation, the year wise. Okay, this is you show the dotted graph. Okay, so the dotted graph is the farmyard manure. Okay, this is a compost, and the top one the green manure. Okay, you use the organic farm. Use the organic farm such as the pesticide fertilizer. Okay, this is the the use the in organic form is the crops share carol reduce the top of the bottom, and you use the compost of the organic is the your green manure is the top. Okay, graph. Again the graph. Okay, so this is the show the organic matter, microbial biomass, and active organic and stabilized organic matter. This is the effect of aggregation. Okay. Then now this is the table effect of the crop residue on soil aggregate in 23 years old rice wheat cropping system. This is a 23 years old. Okay. Okay, how does the treatment? And these are the follow control NPK is WSM 26.8. Here is a 3.31. Okay, and such is a control is a 41.0 and 0.69. There is some difference between the WSM and AR. And AS is arsenic is 26.75, MWD is a 1.75. This is a very big difference. Okay, and the control, how to control, this is control 39.3 0.63. Okay, and this is the very both are the NPK and PS is a 24 2.8 and 2.4 2.89. So this is the effect of the crop residue soil aggregation in 23-year-old rice wheat and cropping system. Then now is the effect of straw application. Straw application of summer rice. Okay, in the summer time, bulk density milligram per MQ and hydraulic conductivity, water stable aggregate and porosity. So these are showing the table. The rice straw and rice straw to meet 25 nitrogen and 50. इसमें क्या भी given है? जहाँ पे 50 nitrogen you meet and 25 nitrogen meet. So both are different. Okay, but 50 nitrogen is a very more quantity in available the rice straw at 1.26. Okay, 1.93 to 1.3 is the water stable and porosity is 52. Then rice straw is available in 25 nitrogen is a 1.7 bulk density. Okay, 1.7 it is the hydraulic conductivity and 49.6 is the water stable and 52 is the same porosity. Okay, then now, what is the effect of the crop residue on the chemical quality? The effect of the crop residue on chemical quality: soil reaction, redox potential, and electrical conductivity, soil organic matter, soil macronutrient, and micronutrient. Okay, then the soil reaction. What is soil reaction? This is the crop residue influence soil pH through accumulation of CO2 and organic acid. Okay, this is the during the decomposition. And the sharp decrease in the soil pH of flooded soil due to the application of rice straw have been recorded by Moti and Shi from the recorded by this author. Okay, with the soil reaction, organic acid. Redox potential electricity conductivity, the straw incorporation Hassen. This is the intensified soil reaction is also by pH. Okay, and the decreased soil pH and electrical conductivity of alkaline soil under the submergence. Soil organic matter and soil organic carbon. Okay, soil organic types of residue and duration of the years and the residue management, how to manage the residue and how to manage the organic carbon. This is a rice straw in wheat and wheat straw in rice. This is sandy loam. Okay, there are 10 years after given. And the rice straw in wheat and wheat in rice and rice wheat in rotation, both. First with the rice straw in wheat and the wheat in rice, then rice wheat rotation. These are 7 years. Remove the 0.3 organic carbon bond is 0.3 and incorporate is 0.50. Okay. This is the residue increased organic carbon content of sandy soil. Okay. Soil macro and micronutrient. The effect of straw management on the nutrient status of the hash of 5. cultivars. Okay, this is the table given the treatment organics, nitrogen, phosphate, phosphorus, exchangeable milligram per kg. Then the revoked bond incorporated 1.8 organic carbon, total nitrogen is 0.167, and also P the milligram per kg is 9. Okay, within the incorporated within 3 years of incorporation, rice to store access to 10% hectare. Okay, total nitrogen content is shall increase by 0.01%. To have the store in the treatment. Then is the effect of crop residue on the soil chemical indicator. This is the suspended solid. Okay, treatment is a pH, organic carbon, nitrogen, phosphorus, kerosene, calcium, magnesium, sodium, phosphorus, sulfur, zinc, iron, copper, magnesium, and boron. This is the given in the crop residue soil chemical indicator. The Celsius is a 6.3, pH 0 is a 6.2, and then is 6.2. Both three are the pH is a acidic. Okay, this is the effect of crop residue on the soil chemical indicator. Biological quality. The biological quality is the microbial population in enzymatic activity, microbial biomass, carbon and nitrogen. Okay, and the carbon and nitrogen mineralization. So this is the biological quality. Okay, this is the biological quality, and then now is the microbial population. Okay, microbial population is affected by residue management in rice weight rotation, population and burning and incorporation. Bacteria is bacteria and fungi are both in the after rice and after wheat. Is 59.6 is the burning and the 69 point is the fungi and bacteria. After rice, removal 15.6 is bacteria and 13.5 is the fungi. And incorporation the 150.4 into 4 and 143 is the incorporation of fungi. And the bacteria of wheat is 16.2 and 34.5 is the fungi, and the 13.9 is the 33.2 is the fungi. So this is the microbial population affected the residue management of rice wheat rotation. Enzyme activity. The enzyme activity is the soil environment is considered important its contribution to the overall soil microbial activity and soil quality. Soil quality depend on the directly depend on the microbial activity. Enzymes are involved in the dynamic of soil nutrient cycling and energy transfer, and the different crop residue incorporated where significantly rather than there are no residue. This is the enzyme activity. Then is the change of the soil, the table change of soil enzyme activity after 15 years of cultivation and the rice with cropping sequence. The control and PK and PK phosphorus and the follows. It is the diagonals and acid phosphate, alkalinity phosphate, ureas and alpha-tis. Okay, this is the table of this type of activity. The rice with cropping sequence. Microbial biomass, carbon and nitrogen. This is the microbial biomass is a small 1 to 5% by weight. What is the active function of the soil organic matter? Okay. And there's a soil microbiome is active reservoir of plant nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, sulfur, and its availability. After the store incorporation, okay, it's increased by 2 to 5 fold in the 10 days, and is the highest by the 30 days. And then we see this the microbiome is increased by 45% and at 60% area concern over the steam. This is the table of the no residue, Mars residue, and Jack being residue. Okay. This is organic carbon, nitrogen, and biomass. This is what given. Okay. Under the carbon nitrogen mineralization, this is the control, how to control the treatment, ambition minimum, shear and pressure. This is the okay. This is the soil depth 0 to 0.2 meter under different treatment after 19 years of the rice wet copy. And there is some special effect of the crop residue management. Some special effect which take effect in the crop residue. The crop residue for reclamation of the salt affected soil. And then now the biological network and the section and the which controls some special effect of crop residue management. The crop residue for the reclamation of the salt affected soil. This is the rice strain and decrease the perception of CA and carbonate and increase the work on inhaling the dry water, decrease the pH and tissue soil. The biological nitrogen fixation is reported that the surface application of rice store increase flood water pH2 and optimum level of N2 and then thereby the increase the N2 by the trophic bacteria and blue-green algae. And the proper is the three observed that a positive correlation between the or 0.9 activity and the wheat store decomposition. This is the biological N2 nitrogen fixation. And how to control the weed. The crop residue can suppress weeds in many ways reported by this author. Number two, there the physical presence on the soil surface of mulch and by the restricted solar radiation facing the mulch layer. By direct suppression caused by the allopathy by controlling availability and burning of residue can help in effective removal of the weed. Seeds and weeds. Okay, this conclusion part is the crop residue incorporation into physical chemical short and in long-term incorporation of crop residue increase the productivity. And over incorporation of crop residue appear to the better management option. Incorporation should be done at least 10 days, preferred 30 days before the establishment of a. This is the how to manage the residue. Then now the how to what is the benefit. So what is the benefit of the benefit from the agricultural waste? Anyone can define? Which type of benefits from the agricultural waste? Anyone? क्या benefit हो सकता है? Agricultural waste से? Anyone? Which type of benefits from Agriculture waste. So the benefit for recycling of the aggregate agricultural solid waste, including the reduction of greenhouse gas emission and use of fossil fuel. Okay, this is as well as a contribution significantly to development of new green market. Okay, so what is the agriculture? The Agriculture Act 1947 defined agriculture as include historical food growing, seed growing, dairy farming, livestock breeding, and keeping. The use of land as grazing land, meadow land, pasture land, market garden, and nursery ground. The use of land for the woodlands where that use of the ancillary to the farming or land or other agriculture. Purpose and agriculture shall be constituted accordingly. This is agricultural. Okay. And what is the agricultural waste? Agricultural waste is a composed of organic waste, such as the animal excreta in the form of slurries and farmyard manure, a spent mushroom, compost, soil, water, and sea as fluid. This is the agricultural waste. They note the category of the cultural waste included as natural waste, organic animals is extremely organic farming, and the plants is the palm oil. This is the natural waste. And the what waste can benefits the animals excretion, palm oil, leaf, bunch, and farm, and paddy, corn, and sugar. And this is the waste from the benefit. This is a benefit for agricultural waste reduce elimination, disposal or burning of waste product which is cause both soil and soil water and air pollution, can maintain the fertility of the soil. The conversion of all form of vegetable and animal waste into the organic matter suitable for the needs of the growing crops. This is the benefit from the agriculture waste. Okay. The now benefit of agriculture waste is to reduce the dependence on chemical and to move towards more natural and healthier method of food production. And can help the farmer to increase their socio-economic and also country income and able to reduce the cost of animal feeding. And then the for productive use and to ensure the success of the project environment and economic gain of the country. This is the benefit from the agriculture waste. Example, agricultural waste product. This is palm oil waste as an implant materials. I lecture produce a composite form of palm oil And is a group of lecture from the USM successfully produced composite palm oil waste. They use bunch of palm oil. The composite are the potentially using in automotive industry products and furniture from this agricultural waste. And the composite are called wild palm plastic composite. Okay, and then the mixing of palm oil bunch waste and plastic. The example of the agricultural waste product. And the advantage of the composite is that can reduce the use of plastic, high quality, and palm oil plastic or while palm plastic composite is the 30% better than the plastic material because easy to produce, cheaper, can be recycled, light and flexible. That is facility. And this is the sheen, the newspaper. Okay. And animal food from the palm oil trees you see in the image. This type of palm oil is for that animal food. Okay. Animals food, harvesting, loading and transporting, milling, drying, and chopping, and delivering, wrapping and series. Okay. So this is the advantage of the composite. And from the culture based, you see the what waste can benefit to the animal. Okay, this is the benefits from the culture waste. The palm leaf and bunch and pod. This is the what is the animals strata. And how to manage the agriculture waste. Anyone give the example of the solid waste from the agriculture waste? Anyone can give the example. Suppose your category of agriculture waste. Two categories: animals and plants. Emails example is organic farming. What is it, right or wrong? Hmm? And what is the classification or cause source of agricultural solid waste? Follow. The classification causes, yeah, sources of solid waste. Agricultural solid waste are produced mainly from farming activities. What is the farming activities? It is the not limited to production of but other activities associated with the farming and food chain. Means every stage the phase of the agriculture food chain can generate significant agricultural solid waste. The broad classification of agricultural solid waste include the following. Okay, and the animal production solid waste, food and meat processing solid waste, crop production solid waste, on farm medical solid waste, Historical production solid waste in industrial agricultural solid waste and chemical wastes. This is the part of the, because from the we find the this type of wastes from the agriculture. First, you the animal production solid. What is the animal production solid waste? This type of waste produced from the animals. Anyone? The animal production solid waste are solid waste generated from the production of livestock for whatever purpose. Examples such waste include bedding, litter, animals, carcasses, damaged feeders, and water tub. And food and meat processing solid waste. This class of agricultural solid waste are produced from the processing of crop or animals products for human consumption, such as abattoir or slaughterhouse. Example of food and meat processing agricultural solid waste include hooves, bones, and feather. As species. Crop production solid waste. The crop solid waste are associated with the agriculture solid wastes, typically for agriculture activities. The crop solid waste. Examples such as agriculture solid waste are crop residue and rice husk. On farm medical solid waste. This is the example of the on farm medical solid waste is the vaccine wrappers, containers, disposable needles, and syringes. These are farm medical solid waste. Historical, horticultural production solid waste. Any one? Refers to the generated by the example of such waste prunings and grass cutting. Industrial solid waste. Livestock are not only cultivated and produced for the dietary consumption, they are used for other uses, and it is not unlikely. And the chemical waste, industrial agricultural solid waste. Okay, so these are the natural waste on animals and plants, and this is the benefits: paddy, stock, corn, and sugar cane. So this type of waste, this is the farming activity. Comes under the this is the category of agriculture is the plants. In plants, the farming activity, poor road network, and poor ICT or lack of classification, inadequate drying technique and storage facilities, and the food spoils, kitchen generated agriculture soil waste. These all are the categories of agricultural waste. This type of benefits, what waste can benefits? Animals, question is not, yes or not? So what is the first you see? One question is the farming activities. Which type of activity comes under farming? Then you see the benefits. Anyone? They see the benefits from what you can do it. So this is the benefits from the culture waste. What which type of benefits from this? The palm oil leaf and buns fraud. Okay, and the sugar cane. The farming activity, the means of agriculture service generation of agriculture. Okay, beginning from land clearing till harvest, every phase of farming activity results in the generation of agricultural waste. And this others one, the farm preparing the pain or arrival to the animals to the farm. Okay, the preparation of the prostitute paddock, till and animals are the slaughters and sold, and soil waste are the generated from the animals. And the poor rate network and transportation harvesting produced from the form of market. Okay, the form of market or storage is another avenue of generation large quantities of agricultural surplus from the poor transportation. Okay, this happened largely result of the bad road network in some developing countries. This is the main result in road accident or delay of the cultural produce from the farm to markets. When road accidents, during the road accident, the cultural produce result on the markets. When road accident occurs, the agricultural products result easily invested. Okay, and then delay to the and the poor electricity or lack of rural classification, electrification, the electricity power supply and lack of rural electrification part of developing countries. Okay, and then now this is the forest food spoilage and kitchen generated agricultural soil waste. So these are the completely generate the where the benefit and poor road network, poor spoilage, kitchen and agricultural soil waste, and these are the agricultural soil waste are usually for the benefits of the environment and ecosystem. And then now this is the benefits from the can mitigation and fertility of the soil. Okay, and the conversion able to reduce the cost of animal feeding. This is the when agriculture waste benefit from and the productive use and ensure the success of the project environmental economic gain for the country. During the chemical waste in this two types of chemicals used agriculture time and this urea and phosphate is a very two types of chemicals used in during the we always used. Okay, and is the ensure success of the project environment and again the and the same things is the conversion of all forms vegetable and mineral waste into organic matter suitable for the needs of the growing crops. Okay, vegetable waste and the animal waste such as the manure. Okay, these are the very